Hello everyone, I am Ashutosh Navle, currently pursuing MBA from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies, Pune. Today, I will be explaining the concept of inventory cost in operation and supply chain management. Inventory is everything a company holds: raw materials, work in progress items, and finished goods before selling them. But holding inventory is not free. It involves a lot of hidden costs. These costs together are called inventory cost. There are mainly four major types of inventory cost. Let's discuss them one by one. Ordering cost. Ordering cost is the cost associated with placing and receiving inventory orders. It includes activities like preparing the purchase order, transportation charges, inspection of goods, and invoice processing. For example, if a company orders raw material 10 times a year and the cost of each order is 500 rupee, the total ordering cost will be 5000 rupee a year. Second one, holding cost. Holding cost is the cost of keeping unsold inventory in storage. It includes expenses like rent for storage spaces, insurance premiums, wages of warehouse staff, cost of deterioration, theft and spoilage. Opportunity cost, meaning the money tied up in inventory could have been used elsewhere. For example, if a company holds inventory worth 1 lakh rupee and the carrying cost rate is 20% per year, the holding cost is 20,000 rupees annually. Third one, the shortage cost. Shortage cost happens when inventory runs out. It can lead to customer dissatisfaction, lost sales, or even losing long term customers. Sometimes companies may also have to expedite shipments at a higher cost to recover from stockouts. For instance, imagine a retail store runs out of air conditioners during peak summer season. Not only do they lose immediate sales, but customers may switch to a competitive forever. Setup cost. Setup cost is mainly in manufacturing business where production needs to switch from making one product to another. Machines need to be reset. Setting up equipment, training staff, and adjusting processes all costs money. Reducing the number of setups by producing larger batches can lower setup cost, but it can also increase holding cost. So, companies must find a balance. Now, let's move a little deeper. Companies must manage these costs carefully because poor inventory management directly affects profit margins, customer satisfaction, and even business survival. The goal is to minimize total inventory cost while ensuring that customer demand is still met efficiently. So, a company should not just look at one cost alone, it should consider the total picture. Real world experience. Take the example of Amazon. They handle millions of items in thousands of warehouses. They have mastered inventory management to keep holding costs low while ensuring products are available when the customers want them. Their success largely depends on controlling inventory costs without compromising delivery speed. So, to summarize, inventory cost includes ordering, holding, shortage, and setup costs. Managing inventory cost is critical for companies' success. Tools like the EOQ formula helps businesses find the right balance between ordering too often and holding too much stock. Companies that manage inventory costs well, like Amazon, Walmart, and DMart, are able to serve customers better while keeping costs low. And that's why inventory cost is such an important topic in operations and supply chain management. Thank you.